Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we shall learn that how we can create a earth in Blender. So open Blender and select all and delete everything. Press Shift A to add a UV sphere and make it shade smooth. And into the material view, here I select material and add a new material. In base color, I select an image texture and open the earth image. Nice. Now in render view, press Shift A to add a sunlight and move it along z-axis, and the strength of this sun is 20. Now add a keyframe to rotate this world. So select this and press I to add a keyframe, and into the 100 keyframe, and press R and X and 360 degree, and press I to add another keyframe, and end of this animation is 100. Now run the animation. Nice. So in this, you can easily create a arc by using earth image texture and spin the earth by using keyframe. Thanks for watching.